We're going to explore the incredible benefits of chewing one clove daily. Yes, you heard it right, just one clove a day. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest content. Let's start with a quick introduction to cloves. Cloves are aromatic flower buds from the clove tree, native to Indonesia. They are widely used in cooking for their distinctive flavor, but today, we're focusing on the potential health benefits of chewing one clove a day. Nutritional value. Cloves are packed with nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain essential oils like eugenol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chewing a clove daily could provide your body with a natural dose of these beneficial compounds. Dental health. One of the most well-known benefits of chewing cloves is improved oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries for their antimicrobial properties. Chewing a clove can help fight bacteria in the mouth, reduce bad breath, and even alleviate toothaches. Digestive health. Chewing a clove daily may also support digestive health. Cloves can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more efficiently. This can lead to better digestion and a reduction in bloating and indigestion. Anti-inflammatory effects. The eugenol in cloves has potent anti-inflammatory effects. Regular consumption may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, providing relief for conditions like arthritis and promoting overall joint health. 4. Immune system boost. Cloves are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can give your immune system a boost. Chewing a clove daily may contribute to a stronger immune response, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. 5. Potential blood sugar regulation. Emerging research suggests that cloves may play a role in blood sugar regulation. Chewing a clove daily might help manage blood sugar levels, making it a potential ally for those with diabetes or those looking to prevent spikes in blood sugar. Too much of anything can have adverse effects. If you have any existing health conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. There you have it, the amazing benefits of chewing one clove daily. It's a simple addition to your routine that could make a big difference in your health. As always, remember that individual responses may vary, and it's crucial to listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments below, telling us about your experiences with cloves or any other natural remedies you swear by. Thanks for watching, and we'll see